How to log in into Zakat tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Zakat tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, just open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Zakat tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different types of websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. Click on the first website, login. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here you will see this first option, Zakat and tax services. Click on it. Now here, as you can see, you need to enter your TIN or email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password or your username, tap on forget password or username option. So just enter all of your details and tap on login option and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your Zakat tax account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.